Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to create a program using C++ programming language that will accept only numbers and not special characters or letters. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, subscribers in my channel. I would like to shout out Sir Ernil, Ma'am Robilin, Marshmallow, and Sir Daven. If you want to be shout out in my channel, kindly put your name and then shout out. I would like also to thank my good friend, my close friend, Tom, who helped me out in this program. Thank you very much, Tom, for always there for helping me. Tom is also a fellow software engineer that wrote lots of computer programs. Okay, so let's begin. So I'm using div C++ in running this program. So we have your shop include IOStream for input output, and then we have your shop include limits. So this is a function that we use here to max ignore the numerical value. Int main, it is the starting point of every C++ program. We have your begin, and then we have your a variable int num equals 0, bold done equals false, and then we have here the title accepts only numbers in C++, and then we have here while not done, it will continue accepting value integer here. If cin if it is correct, done, it is true, it will terminate it is number. Else invalid input, it will clear the cin, then ignore until such time that the value is an integer, and then we close and then end a program that informs the user that the program has been ended. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Let us compile and run. Okay, integer, special character here, invalid input also, start, invalid input. When I put a number, it will stop 12. Well done, you entered end of program. Another run, invalid input, characters, word 2022, it will start end of program. Well done, you entered 2022. Okay, so this is the end of our program on how to create a program that will accept only numbers in C++ programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.